A lot of people don't know that FRC Southeast has been the premier painting facility for the Blue Angel aircraft. It's been a long running tradition to do the Blue Angel aircraft here. On the Blue Angel, there's actually three colors. You have the blue, the yellow, and there's white. The white actually goes underneath the yellow because when we put the yellow over the blue, the yellow is really transparent. So it would take a lot of coats of yellow to cover the blue. So we usually lay down a white base coat and then put the yellow over the white. By doing that, it really makes the yellow bright. It makes it pop. The stripes, the 2 points that come to the front of the nose and slope down the sides of the aircraft, those are laid out by hand. Several of the markings are more than just markings. They're actually line-up marks for them to fly by. Whenever you actually see the aircraft and you get to look at it roll out, it's definitely a pride moment of, yeah, we completed that.